One day, we will all have to say goodbye to someone we love. It's painful to even think about. But when that moment comes, what kind of farewell would you want to give to them? Now, here is something shocking. Do you know how most bodies in India are cremated today? Not with sacred fire, but with diesel, kerosene, electricity, and even rubber tires. The very last moment of a person's earthly journey is surrounded by toxic smoke, machine noise, and chemicals. Is this how we honor someone who gave us all the love throughout their life? Our ancestors didn't think so. The Garud Purana, one of the most respected scriptures on the journey of the soul, clearly says the last rite should be performed like a homa, a yagya, or a havan. Why? Because fire, when made pure, becomes a bridge between this world and the next. In a havan, we don't pour diesel. We offer ghee from the desi cows, pure, nourishing, and full of prana. For a cremation, only 3 kilos of this ghee is enough, costing less than 10,000 rupees. We should not burn down forests either. We can use wood from peepal or palash trees as mentioned in the scriptures, which are sacred and beneficial, but even better is to use cow dung cakes. They burn clean, release almost no smoke, and not a single tree is harmed. This is not just eco-friendly, it is deeply spiritual. The cow dung cakes themselves are considered as purifying in the Vedic tradition. When they burn with ghee, it becomes like an offering to Agni Dev, the god of fire, carrying the soul forward in the dignity and peace. Compare that to today's methods, electricity and diesel, which may be fast, but leave no sanctity, no purity, no connection to the divine. When the final goodbyes come, do we want it to be just a mechanical process or a sacred ritual filled with mantras, pure fire, and prayers, sending off the souls with honor? Friends, this is not about the past. This is about respect. It's about protecting our environment, preserving our culture, and giving our loved ones a farewell worthy of the life they lived. So next time when the moment comes, remember, choose ghee, choose cow dung cakes, choose sacred fire, not diesel, not electricity. Because the last thing we can give should be the purest we can offer.